Alright everybody, this is the tips for pão de queijos. I'm so sorry I was not able to include this in the actual video, and the reason is because I really forgot, and sometimes when you get caught up recording a video, you lose track of the things that you need to say. But the first tip I want to give you is this right here. You're able to freeze these bad boys, and let me tell you, it's awesome because they'll last up to a year in your refrigerator. I'm sorry, in your freezer, so it works out really well. And when I didn't add this in the video, and my wife was like, you didn't tell them the best part, that we make a bunch of them and we use them anytime we need to. So I just want to make sure that you are aware of that. I'm using these little silicone molds, and they work extremely well because it's so easy to take it out. And like I said, they will last up to a year on your freezer. Another thing just to keep in mind is that I know I said this on the video, but I want to rephrase it one more time. Do not use anything else but the tapioca starch. You have to use that. If you try to use flour, it will not turn out the same. When you're making the pão de queijo, make sure that the milk and the oil is boiling. And after you mix your dry mix, add it slowly. Then you're gonna mix a little bit more. However, before you put the cheese, make sure you let the mix cool down a little because it will be very hot. And if you add the cheese right away, what happens is it's going to completely melt, and it's okay, but then the texture of your pão de queijo will be very mushy and super sticky versus if you let it cool down a little bit and then you add the cheese, then it becomes a little bit more kind of like a bread style. It will be a little drier versus very wet. I know some are gonna ask me, do you have to use a mixer? Absolutely not. You can do this by hand, but you're gonna get tired, and remember that the mix is gonna be very hot, so you can burn your hand. But in Brazil, we have no mixer, we just do it by hand. Here's another tip. I use this right here to scoop it up. It's just an ice cream scoop, and make these little cheese balls. They work perfect. They actually work a lot better than just both spoons. That's it, guys. These are my tips, and I hope you really enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. And if you do give it a try, let me know how you like it. I'd love to know. Now we just gotta seal these bad boys, and they are good to go up to a year in your freezer. Now, I don't know if they're gonna last because mines go out pretty quick. And by the way, this is Ninja's favorite thing to eat with picanha when we go to a churrascaria. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.